5 skills every beginner data analyst must master first. Now, you must build the right foundation so you can create a real impact in the data analyst industry. Now, these are the 5 skills that every beginner data analyst must master. Number 1, Excel. This is your foundation for data analysis. Number 2, SQL. This is data query and you get answers. Number 3, data cleaning. When you clean your data, you get better insights. Number 4, you must learn data visualization. Good data visualization communicates insight clearly. And number 5, you must build business thinking. Solve good problems and create a long-term impact. Do well to subscribe to this YouTube channel and hit the notification bell.